So we start off today's video with someone who has long waist-length hair. Oh, so it looks like they're going to be getting some color with this transformation. Lots of foil involved. And the stylist does go in and cut the hair even further. Oh wow, beautiful lob haircut, gorgeous brown color. What a transformation. She went from long dark hair to this beautiful brown colored lob. Her hair has so much body and movement too after the cut. Amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some long to short hair transformations. So here we have someone with blue hair. Looks like she might be going with like a gray tone. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful mid-length cut, loving the color. And then we see someone with purple hair. This is a really pretty color. So this is actually the girl that we previously saw with the gray tone. I think she just likes to have a lot of fun with her hair. And then here she is doing pink, like a hot pink. Now for me personally, I admire people that can take such bold risks with their hair and they like to really mix it up with different colors and cuts and styles. It's so inspiring to see. By the way, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles in today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she is requesting a bob haircut. Oh, very nice. So she did go with more of like the mini bob style that we're currently seeing. Beautiful. Her hair has so much sheen to it, bounce, body, just absolutely gorgeous. So then we move on to the next transformation. Looks like she's gonna also be getting like a shoulder length bob. Nice waves for some texture. Gorgeous. Nice, simple, effortless style with this transformation. Ooh, so it looks like we had someone who did a DIY layered look. So the stylist is going in to clean up the lines. She has really pretty chunky highlights mixed in, and you can see that the hair is much more natural now that the stylist has went in to do the layers. Very pretty. So it looks like we're going to see a pixie haircut for this next transformation. Stylist adds a relaxer, and bam, look at those curls. Wow, absolutely stunning. Her hair looks so healthy and full. So then we have someone else who has beautiful, natural, curly, wavy hair. I really like the stylist hair too. She's rocking like this bold blue shade. And it looks like she's doing a big chop to this gorgeous bob. Wow, look at that. And she still has a bit of her natural texture. Her hair looks absolutely beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.